I'm here in New Mexico. We are at the groundbreaking of Array Technologies, which is a solar tracking manufacturer, one of scores of companies across the country that have come to America and expanded in America because of the Inflation Reduction Act, the Bipartisan Infrastructure Law, and the CHIPS and Science Act. And two of the architects of those bills are standing next to me. Senator Heinrich, thank you so much for your leadership in making this happen.
In New Mexico, we know how important the Secretary of Energy is, so we're really excited to have you here. Connecting the dots between the incentives that we built into the Inflation Reduction Act and the jobs at Array Technologies, where they are using those production tax credits to be able to expand their operations and create more jobs that you can build a family around.
It's so great, and Senator Luján, you two shaping particularly your expertise in the CHIPS and Science Act. Thank you so much for your leadership.
Well, thank you, Secretary, and we're so excited to have Secretary Granholm here. It's not often that we have a Secretary of Energy visit our state as much as Jennifer has. On behalf of the Biden administration, with the jobs that are being created and celebrating that today, the support of Sandia and Los Alamos National Laboratories, but to have a secretary that is now completing a trip across the West as she's been traveling America week after week. It's something we should applaud, we should all be grateful for, but another proud day to be in New Mexico.
Good news all over the country, and so glad to be here in New Mexico.